How much do I make as a software engineer, and how much did Steam pay me releasing an indie game last year called Death Upon Us? Let's find out. So I asked you guys to shoot me some questions here on Instagram and on YouTube. And you already know I picked a lot of good ones. I'm also going to show you how much I make as a software engineering and how much I make as an indie game developer. But first things first, let's hit the gym. The first question is, how did you get a job fresh out of college? To answer that question, I went to the University of Louisville, did speed school, the computer engineering program, and we had to complete 3 co-op rotations / interns in the fall, spring, and summer semesters to graduate. The people I did a co-op rotation with brought me back home full time. So the next question is, what led you to start making content, and do you plan on making it into a business? So ever since high school, I always wanted to get into gaming videos. My favorite game was Borderlands 2 and Max Payne. So I always wanted to do tutorials. I even asked my parents to buy me an Elgato, if you know what that is. But when I got to college and started studying computer engineering, I felt like I was consuming a lot of data and nothing I really could relate to, especially as a diverse person in the tech industry. So I wanted to create a safe space to promote the day in the life of software engineering, also to see how you can land jobs in different sectors of software engineering, such as data science, software engineering, and computer cybersecurity. Now, do I want to make my YouTube channel into a business? Of course. I don't believe in putting time into something if I can't be profitable in it. I ultimately want to create a series of my Unicorn dev startup that I'm currently creating. I will be creating an app for game developers, esports gamers, and it will be a very fun app that we use every day. So I will be posting my Discord link down below in the description so we can all collaborate together to make the best app in this world possible. So the next question was, how do I stay motivated at a young age? So for that question, honestly, I had to start blocking my schedule off because I'd be very busy with different businesses I run and hanging with family, things like that. So I created a calendar. I sent invitations to people who want to book meetings with me, and structure blocks for, like, I know when my most productive times is early in the morning, from 6 to noon. So I get all my work done before then, and I have the rest of the day chill after that. So the most asked question is, True Game, how much do you make? How much money do you make as a software engineer just starting out in your career? Well, to answer your question, basically I have to go over 3 key metrics before. The first one, I've been in the tech industry for about a year and a half now. Number 2, I did graduate college with a degree of software engineering. And the third one, come here close, this is very important, I'm 6'2" with a beard. So my total compensation consists of my salary, equity, and benefits. That's enough talking, let's get into it. I get paid monthly, so my monthly salary is about $5,000 per month. And then at the end of the year, you have 10 to 15% equity, and you can get that in cash, stock, or added to your 401k, 10 to 15% of your salary. And then you have good benefits, which is the healthcare, orthodontist, things like that at UPS. With all that being said, I make roughly around 80K at my software engineering job a year. Now, somebody put what languages do I use? I know I'm pretty dark, but in America, we use English. No, I'm just playing. But at UPS, we use Angular, which is use TypeScript, HTML, CSS for the front end. And then for middle tier, we use Spring Boot / Java. In the back end, we use SQL, Oracle database. To deploy it, we have 3 environments, which is dev, test, and production. We use OpenShift for the newer models, and use the Jenkins pipeline, or sometimes we use GCP, a Google Cloud platform, and deploy it there. For our older frameworks and systems, we use WebLogic, running on Row 7, Row 8 servers. Before I close out this video, I want to touch base on my indie game development experience. So touching on Death upon us, I made a couple thousand, probably 10 to 15,000 off the game alone for a very shitty FPS game. Plan on making one down the road, geared towards more AAA status, using probably Godot engine instead of Unity, since they want to tax everybody to be using the engine. Now, I used to watch Brackeys to get into tutorial videos how to use C#. And for multiplayer networking, TCP, UDP for WebSockets and things like that. I just want to say thank you for everybody who watched these videos and continue. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.